Hey everybody, day 2, identifying and combining original shapes, right? Plane shapes, flat shapes. You can call them what you want, but there's a good chance I introduced a couple new ones yesterday. Let's take a look and see if you remember what they are called. So along this side, I have the names: hexagon, trapezoid, pentagon, triangle, and square. A couple of these you probably know from before, but a couple of these might be new. So, where to start? I'm going to go ahead and start right here at the top. I'm looking for hexa. Hexa means 6. So when I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I know it's not right. This has 4 sides, 3 sides. Aha! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a hexagon right there. Next, trapezoid. Trapezoid is a really cool sounding name. It has 4 sides. 2 of the sides are parallel. This is what a regular trapezoid might look like. This one happens to be upside down, but remember it has 2 sides that are never going to touch. They're parallel, moving along like a road or a railroad track. And then the other 2 sides would touch. Lots of times I think of it like a triangle that someone has chopped or halved, cut in half right there. So trapezoid is right there. How about penta? Oh, that means 5. We found that. Penta. This is a regular 5-sided pentagon right down there. Easy. Triangle. I could do that in my sleep. And the last one, let's pick a fun color here. How about orange? Square. Another pretty easy one. So, first part of this is just, do you know the names? Hexa, trapezoid, pentagon. And then, once you're pretty good at knowing the names, I want you to kind of find those shapes as they create figures. How did they do this one? How did they make this diamond? Well, I think they made it by using a triangle at the bottom and one of those trapezoids at the top. Right? Or maybe you're going to be like, no, you know, with this one, I think they did a trapezoid at the top, a rectangle in the middle, and then a triangle at the bottom. However you see it happening, you could probably see these multiple ways and be 100% correct. Okay, so I want you looking for triangles, squares, rectangles, trapezoids, hexagons in these strange shapes here. See if you can figure out how they built them. That's going to be part of today's work. Oh, just like I said, the difference here is instead of drawing the lines, you just have to recognize the names of the shapes that are in there. So maybe you have to draw the lines first, and then you're going to say this is made out of a rectangle and a triangle. When you do this in Seesaw, I'll give you the words in a bank along the side so you can just drag them into the right place. You don't have to worry about trying to write on those tiny lines. So, one more time. Draw first what you're looking for, and then tell on the line the names of these 2 shapes that built this figure. The last thing you're going to be asked to do is you're going to be asked to put some shapes together. So this is kind of the opposite of finding what's inside. You're going to put them together to build something like a fishbowl or I don't even know what that's supposed to be. But some of the pictures you're going to build later are very recognizable. They're going to remind you of the tangrams we did before. I'm going to show you the math that you're going to be working on, and then I can't wait to see your hard work. Here is the first page. Remember how I said you're going to be producing the word for the line that you find inside. So draw first, and then say, there's my triangle, And there's my rectangle. Draw first, put the words on the line. Second page. This is a little different. This square is missing something, right? If it's supposed to be a square, obviously something is missing. Hint, hint, hint. Is it a circle that should have been there? A triangle missing? A rectangle? No, they're selecting this one. So they shaded in this one as the answer. You can just color it in or circle it, indicate whatever it is that it's missing. This hexagon is missing something over here. Which one of these parts would complete a hexagon? A couple more of those same things. You have to make this into a rectangle, and you have to turn this thing into a trapezoid. I wonder how you would do that. Show me all your great work, and I believe on the next slide is a fun math game. Appreciate it now. Bye.